Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Easy Crypto here. So today I'm going to bring you another market update with what's going on in the market, and congratulations everyone. We're seeing some really good progress, especially on Bitcoin, and all our altcoins are up. So brilliant start to the week, guys. So what I'm going to tell you now is Bitcoin is trading above nearly $42,000. So it's a really bullish sign in my opinion. I do potentially think we might have another pullback, but at what stage and how big, who knows. We need to be positioned ideally in the market. In this video, I'm going to bring you my top picks for the bull cycle, and we're going to have a quick look at where our portfolio is that I made a couple of weeks ago and see how we're doing, how we're getting on with that portfolio. So just a quick update on Bitcoin. So I'm going to take you through where Bitcoin is and where I see it going in the next few weeks / months. I do believe we are in a really good position at the moment, guys, and we're just going to zoom out of this so you can see the screen. Here we are. So these two levels are key levels in my opinion. This is where we have traded with the most support and resistance over the last bull cycles, and especially over the last bull cycle in 2021. So where are we currently trading at the moment? So we're on $51,971 currently. Now major levels in my opinion is 47k region. So around the $47 region for Bitcoin is a massively key region, and it's a good level of support for us. So if we break down from there, I do believe we potentially could see a lot bigger drop down to around the 38 to 40k region, right guys? So that's the level I'm looking at. As long as we stay above that 47k range, I do believe we are still going to continue on the upside, and the next kind of resistance line would be around the $55,700 mark in my personal opinion, because that's what we've seen in previous bull cycles. If we break that, then I'm thinking we are going to go to all-time highs within the next couple of months, which is super exciting. Really excited about that. All our altcoins are on the up, so it's brilliant. So if you want to take down these two levels, they're the levels that I'll be literally looking at every single day and making sure we know where we're up to. So like I said, in my personal opinion, I do believe this is massively bullish. What we might do is we might have a little fake out, in terms of we might come and retest this line here and then rip up to our 55k region. Now, that's probably more than likely in my personal opinion, but if we maintain this area of support, then there's no reason why I don't believe that we can't just continue on the upside, guys. So this is on the weekly as well. So moving on, I want to quickly bring you over to banterbubbles.com. Now recently just came across this website. I believe it's a little bit better than the Crypto Bubbles website, so check it out. In my opinion, it's a lot better. So the reason why is personally because you can look at not only where we are in terms of the hour, it just gives you a lot more detailed information. So today, obviously we look on today's chart, we can see what's firing. A brilliant pick on mine. Miria is up 23% on the day. We've got Casper up again on the day. We've got all these different coins on the day, and what we can do is filter down. So we can, out of the top 100, we'll have a look what's going on. So Beam, if you're investing in Beam, obviously one of Alex Becker's plays is up 16.79%. You've got Engine, which is up as well. Injective is up 12.46%. Bitcoin up 1%, which isn't amazing on the day, but still we'll take that. Gala's up 5%. So realistically, like, all our coins are up. Casper's having a little bit of a cool off after its previous run, which hit, well, in the last couple of days, up 0.73%. But it's brilliant. And now if we come on the weekly as well, this is where we're really going to get some decent statistics out of these. So previously DCA'd into Casper a couple of weeks ago, that's now up 20% on the week, which is super bullish for Casper. I really do think Casper's going to absolutely take off this bull cycle and literally be one of the best investments you could potentially make. Life-changing gains potentially, in my personal opinion. So brilliant. And Psy is literally taking off, 53% up. So this is what I'm talking about. This is only just the start, guys. This is literally, we're down here. We've got like way more to go. So main thing to concentrate on, guys, in my personal opinion, just don't get pissed off if your particular coin is down on the day when everything else is up. That just makes you, just don't get pissed off and sell. That's all I'm going to say. Just have conviction in your particular plays that you've invested in time and research into, guys. So that's all I'm going to say on that matter. But yeah, check it out, guys. banterbubbles.com, brilliant website, and it just gives you a bit more information than the Crypto Bubbles website, and you can obviously filter it down to the top 1,000 coins, so which is pretty cool. So moving on, we're going to talk about our portfolio, right, guys? So if you subscribe to my channel, then you would know that I made a $10,000 portfolio over the last couple of weeks, right? So I think it's a month ago or something like that. So a month ago I made this portfolio. I'm just going to zoom out of here again because it is, you probably won't be able to see the screen. So a month ago I made this portfolio. So we invested $10,000. We invested, actually we'll take you through my particular, where we're sitting. So 34% in Casper, 11% in Change EPT, 6.3% Hello, HBAR 17%. Obviously this isn't completely relevant because it won't show you actually what I invested in to start with and how that's changed the balance of these particular coins. But at the end of the day, we're up in profit. So that's currently what I wanted to show you. So we're up nearly $4,000 in profit over the course of a few weeks, guys. So when was this? The 12th of Feb. So let's have a look on the month. See if it'll give us a bit more information. So on the 18th of January, guys, so yeah, so a month ago we invested in these coins and we're up 4k, which is a pretty decent profit. Obviously I'm presuming most people are up in profit now. We're the only one of my picks that hasn't been doing as well as I wanted is one of my favorite picks, which is actually Hello. Hello's been down because of this buy the rumor sell the news event. Obviously their current show, which has come out, Killer Whales, hasn't done as expected, and that is the reason why it's down nearly 40%. I do actually think it's a brilliant time to buy Hello. People might think I'm an idiot, but personally I would be looking into it massively because I do see this absolutely running this bull cycle. So that's my personal opinion on these particular projects. So we've got Casper, which is my favourite pick for this bull cycle. HBAR has done as nicely as well. So Casper's been up 61%. HBAR is now up nearly 20%. Mira is up 70% from when we invested in. ICP is up 20%. Change EPT is up 70%, and Hello is down 40%. So overall, guys, we're doing really well. Really well. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to add to this particular portfolio. So we're up nearly 4k. What I want to do is take some of the money out that we've made. I'm going to put it into some other coins that I believe are going to be brilliant in this bull run. So we've got 4k to play with currently. I'm just going to write this down so I don't forget. It's $4,000 to play with roughly. I'm going to take our profits out of those coins and I'm going to put them in some other different coins, guys, now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to Lit Games, which is a absolutely excellent project. I've made a video on this one already. Do believe this one can 100x in the bull cycle, so I'm going to invest a little bit of money now and then we'll see where that goes in the future. So what we're going to do is invest $500 into this particular project. So we'll submit that now. So we're going to roughly spend. So we're going to add Lit now to the portfolio, and that we're going to put in probably around $350 into Lit Labs. I'm going to add that now. So we're going to keep DCAing into this over the course of the next few months, see what happens. So there we go. There's Lit added. So that's 341. Let me just type that down. So $341 we've added. So now what we're going to do is, this is another coin I'm going to invest in that is brilliant. I think this one is best bang for your buck currently. Yes, the tokenomics aren't great, but the project itself is amazing. And if you're happy with the token unlock schedule, then I don't see a reason why this shouldn't be in your portfolio. Mint Layer is a Bitcoin Layer 2 DeFi crypto, and it is absolutely brilliant. The team is amazing. They've got some excellent people working on their projects. The guys who worked on Tether are actually working for Mint Layer, which is super bullish. We're going to add, how much we got to play with now? So we've got 341. We're actually going to put 2k in this particular project because I'm super bullish on it. Yeah, so we're going to add 2k worth of Mint Layer. Right, guys, so these are the projects that I've invested into. Right, we've got Mint Layer, which we've added $2,000, and we've added Lit Labs as well with $341, bringing us a total of $2,341. These are this portfolio. What I want to try and bring to you is I want to get as much returns as possible on this portfolio using $10,000. If I had $10,000, what would I do with the portfolio? We've already made a total of $3,600 over the course of a month. So I want to try it over the next 12 months, see where we can actually bring this to, see if we can bring this to over 100 grand, which I think is going to be pretty easy, if I'm honest. So what I will do later on, because it's not working at the moment, is I will take out this profit from the portfolio, because obviously I'm buying more than the 10,000, which I've discussed. We're buying probably 13,640. So I'll take this out later on so it is up to date and live for a $10,000 portfolio. The other coin I'm going to add now is Arweave. So Arweave is another one that I believe is going to be brilliant in this bull cycle, because I believe that decentralized storage is going to be used by massive corporations and companies, and not only for cryptocurrency. I do believe it has real world application as well. It's cheaper than all other storage, like centralized storage is so much cheaper than, and it is going to be a massive part of this bull cycle. Obviously it hasn't got the same hype and stuff as like a gaming project and things like that, but I think with this particular portfolio, what I want to do is have some kind of degen coins, but then also some safety as well. So it is actually a pretty good portfolio, in my personal opinion, to actually follow and see what we can actually do. Yeah, so what have we got left to spend now? So we've got 2,341 we've spent. Okay, minus 3,640 minus 3,640 equals. So we got 1,299 to spend. So we're going to put the rest of that into Arweave now. So yeah, so we'll have that 1,237. So we'll add 100 Arweave, which will bring us to $1,237, which is pretty much there, guys. Right, so there we are. Okay, so total balance now 17,968, but I'm going to take off obviously the profit and loss, so I'll just quickly take a screenshot of that so we can do that later on, and then we'll track this portfolio all the way through the bull cycle, see where we are, and then go from there, guys. But I personally believe what I'm trying to do is make the most out of this portfolio, so I will be taking profits as we go, but what I'm going to do is try and keep a moon bag to where and try and time some of the tops on these just for this particular portfolio, so I can try and see where the maximum amount of money we can make from this particular portfolio. So obviously with Casper, brilliant play. That's my majority play, to be perfectly honest. So if we now go onto our chart and have a look where our majority plays are, we've got Casper coming in first, obviously with 27%, and that is how my current portfolio sits, is a lot of Casper, guys, and I'm up in a big profit in that already, which is brilliant. So the next play obviously is HBAR. HBAR hasn't performed as well yet, but it will perform in the next couple of months. I can see this doing excellent. Obviously, it's another safe play in my opinion. Casper, HBAR, really safe plays. Then we come down to Miria. Miria's a bit more degen, but it's a safer gaming pick. Alex Becker loves this particular project, and this one's going to, in my opinion, it could 30 to 50x, like quite easily as well. ICP, we all know ICP. The narrative for this is excellent, especially with AI coming out and stuff like that. And then we've got obviously Lit Labs, which we've just invested in. It's a brilliant degen, small cap, $10 million market cap coin, which is going to do brilliant. And the games are phenomenal in my personal opinion. They're only going to get better as well. Mint Layer, which is a Bitcoin layer 2 DeFi crypto project, so we're covering, what I'm trying to do with this portfolio is cover all bases. We've got Chain GPT as well, which we've previously invested in, which is an AI project, and that's going to do, and that's already done excellent. We're already up in massive profit in that as well. So with that respect, you can see how I'm trying to create a portfolio that covers the majority of sectors that I think, in my personal opinion, are going to do well, but not too many sectors in order to get flustered during the bull cycle. Because the last thing you want to do is have 100 coins. So if you have 100 coins, where are we going to go with these? You're going to have to be sitting on your phone or on your laptop all day, just checking your portfolio to see when you're going to take out profits, and you'll have to map out each one. This is what I always do, is I'll map out where I'm taking profits on each coin. So if you've got 100 coins, you're going to have to do that on every single one. It's going to be an absolute nightmare unless you start setting alerts on TradingView, which you can do, but I mean that's just absolute pain, setting alerts and having to go to exchanges to sell. So yeah, please follow this portfolio, guys, and screenshot if you want. This is what I'm personally, my $10,000 portfolio. And we'll try and take this as far as we can, like I said, and then go from there. But super bullish sign, and congratulations if anyone's been investing, because you've made some serious money so far. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I will see you on the next video tomorrow. Cheers, guys.